didn't bring it back. I was in such a rush.
Me too, also, because I came straight from church.
Ah.
Yeah, I can't be the best one. Yeah.
아이고 귀여워요. 아이고네. 귀여워.
This one's from 10,000.
Okay, how else should I cut it? Actually, you guys can just eat it. Gave up. Who's gonna pick up a...
기다려. Just whisper. 이쪽으로 가. Whisper. 잘했어. Whisper. 그렇지.
Now he does it because you can see like the...
그렇지. 그렇지. 기다려.
This is the flour cake pan and lightly greased and lined with baking paper. 2. Mix. Mix all stuff. Bake for 40 to 45 minutes and then empty icing.
Do we need these? 만드는 그 있잖아 너. 케이크 스톱 다 주고 해서 먹어.
Okay, should we start?
Wow, this is really like. I'm amazed by your kitchen.
Oh, what's this?
Elizabeth's vlog.
I wonder where I put my phone.
Do I need
Should
the
be somewhere.
eggs, guys? Yeah, and milk and butter.
How much storage do you have on your phone?
Lots.
And then it's gonna run out in like 3 seconds.
And then like turns off when we like don't realize and like actually we didn't film anything.
Can you?
And then we're like speaking to the camera when it's
And then
turned
it's
off.
turned off.
Yeah.
Grease and flour the cake pan. Or lightly grease with baking paper.
Which one's samples?
Baking paper?
Yeah, I have baking paper.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Should we start?
Yeah. Huh?
I'll
I'll start. Yes.
There.
And should we
With butter.
Huh?
Yeah, butter.
Oh.
Wait, you guys look so cute with like the white.
Oh, you have to
I
mix
feel
it.
like I'm
Yeah,
filming a
yeah,
cooking show, like Team White and Team Black. Like, this side is making like.
Oh, this is my.
2/3, right? 2/3, right?
As you can see, it's really advanced.
Wow.
So it's done in 1 second. So this is how you open. Ready? Do like this. Wow. Yeah. It's really made for lazy people. Lazy. Like yeah. Yeah. Wow. Wait.
How many eggs goes in? 2?
Looks like scrambled eggs.
I agree.
The
You
butter?
know, like I
The camp
wet
one.
scrambled eggs.
Basically, Great Aussie Bush Camp.
Do you have a spatula? Straight over this.
Oh. How does no one have a spatula? Like literally, this is not the first.
Cecily doesn't have one.
Cecily's not. I mean, I bought her a spatula for her birthday. Spatula is like the baking essentials. I know.
Yeah, like
I do everything with a spatula.
me too.
I literally like cook butter with a spatula.
What we call it, the silicone.
Yes.
And like you know when you're making brownie, right? It gets everything
I
off the
know.
bowl so
Like I was
easily.
wasting all that batter. Anyway, put the eggs in and then you can.
You guys want to set the timer for this? Or
Can I crack an egg?
Yeah.
Okay. What if I get a chef?
Who needs an electric mixer?
When you have Anne. When you have Anne.
Oh my god, this already looks yum.
Should I crack it in
Yeah,
there
I
first
agree.
and then there?
I don't know.
I'll put it in here first.
Whoa,
I'm scared of
what
it.
the heck? You did it so well.
That's why who needs an
I don't know if we need an electric
mixer,
mixer.
but you have Anne here. need a Do you guys usually use that bit?
Which?
Yeah.
Which
Yeah.
The one that's falling
Cause
out.
usually-
Oh yeah, I
Oh,
always
you
wait
don't?
and it never
Okay.
comes out.
Usually I do unless I'm impatient. I just like whatever. Where's it?
Wow.
Professional mixer.
Do I look like a professional?
How do you know if it's preheated? That's why you set the timer.
When it comes to this consistency, this is when you put in the eggs.
Wow, per and.
End up here.
Yahoo!
Oh.
Okay, you can put it in. I'm gonna.
Oh, do we just?
If you want. You don't need to. You can just put it in.
1, 2. Yeah. Are we?
Yeah.
Right.
Ooh.
I really want to buy a new phone just for the 0.5.
Oh,
He's
you're
killing me.
I know. I know. I can't.
The amount of times I would film
Otis.
something up.
Would you want to film in like 0.5?
I want to film everything in 0.5.
I feel like everything, it just makes everything better.
It just makes everything better. You can see more. Everything.
Especially, you know when you take selfies, the like,
I like
lightning,
selfies.
I do that. I don't know. I don't know. Do you think it's fine? Like, I've never made cake, so I don't know.
either.
Has anybody here a cake
Sophia is
maker?
a cake
Yeah.
I usually
Is this-
use and I
are
can
you
use
a
that
cake
as
expert?
It's fine.
I know.
40 to 45 minutes. 40 to 45.
If we do highest temperature, can't we do it for less?
But then
No.
it might burn. That does not
I don't think
it
it
Scarlett.
I tried.
We don't have to. Natural.
Otis, you're so cute.
I think it's done.
He deserves all
It
the
looks so
love.
nice.
Are there any bumps?
Look at his face.
There are some bumps.
Just a little bit, but it will just
Like,
melt.
it's not
It's just
gonna-
the butter. It's
it's
like
not
not
gonna
gonna
be-
Okay.
I want to see her on the.
Do one. This is small.
Oh, thank you. It's like small in like a big area.
It does smell good.
Look at his face.
It smells like classic vanilla.
Look at his like leg at the other side. Like.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Ultimately, if it sits. Anyway, pour it in.
It's just
Yes, mother.
you're so cute. Look cute. It's just
Should we make the other cake then? Because it's gonna take a long time to cook.
We have a circular cake.
Oh, we can cook
Oh,
them
it
both
looks so
Yeah, we
good. Look
can.
at the folds.
Oh. Is it in
Oh.
Yeah, it's at the bottom. Should we just make it in the same bowl?
Oh, it looks so good. Can you do like a
So
bang bang?
apparently, so all of the Europe tour people are in Czech right now, and so Evie, like the whole group was together, and Evie went to this like Czech guy.
Oh.
She was like to him, all the girls in Czech are so pretty, but the guys aren't. The guys aren't. Only the girls are so pretty, and then they sent me a snap talking about it, and they said to Evie, and Evie said, it was just a joke, and they're all like, the joke did not hit. Like, bro, she's gonna get cancelled in Czech, bro.
That's so nice. Can you do bangs?
That is so
Okay. Oh.
It's so flat.
I agree. It's so nice.
Oh my god, bro! He has one lip leg.
Wow! Wow, look at all that pizza.
So bad because he was
Yes.
running with one leg in the air.
That's good timing.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. 아, 리아 왔다. 리아 왔어.
Hello.
안녕.
So cute.
Is Otis sick? Did he hurt himself? Why is he like walking a bit funny?
He's like limping.
Wait, I literally have a clip from like when we had pizza at school. Me too.
Oh, we
Oh,
all have
yeah.
pizza to
So
ourselves.
Yeah, remember that?
Yeah, just put yeah.
Put them on top of scene.
Okay.
brought to church today. Actually, it's actually Maggie.
Just 멀리 안 간대?
아니 간대.
If she's late,
Oh no, because
then
Soya.
to eat dinner. I was like,
Oh,
nah,
dinner.
I won't come.
Are you going dinner?
I know because probably won't be able to. Because I didn't know whether we were giving. Somebody's late. Why he's so like 무뚝뚝해. What is he doing?
He's like
Why is
he's like a cat. Like why is he not like Jason? I don't even cat. Come here.
he doesn't want to chase you.
Where's this? Cousin.
He's just scared of you.
Actually,
I feel like we're not playing with him. Like he's playing with us. No, he's like playing with us. Staring at us, maybe like he'll do with ourselves.
That's dishwasher. The dish soap.
it's okay. My grandma says that if you use dishwashing soap, your hands will just be extra squeaky clean. Where's that aluminium? Oh, there.
It's so like floppy.
With this, wait, not wait.
Yeah, I know. I don't have to wait single enough. I need the rest of that.
Do you want more water, Otis? Otis, are you
Oh, he didn't have any energy to play with us because he didn't have water.
I don't know. It looks so sad. We're like. Okay. Nice.
아 여기.
You know, Otis, like after Ria took out the bowl, you know how there's like still a hole? Yeah.
If he doesn't have enough water.
Hey!
It's actually so cute.
But dogs can't see color anyway. But they can see shades, right? They can
No, they could only see like blue and,
and
like
like
yellow.
No pizza for Otis.
What is he doing?
He's like,
It's so cute. It sounds like Phil Morgan.
Yeah.
Everyone gets it like, I don't know, 5 times more. Everyone experiences it.
nah, that's what category we can apply, like, what, like, you're gonna do. Like, really, I think it's all. Scarlett, you can light and outside, so don't like.
Real.
Should I light it? Or should I not light it? I won't light it.
We'll take up both. Lighting and no lighting.
And 귀여워.
Are you ready?
Do you want flash or no flash?
Anything.
Yeah.
We're gonna be your photographers for the day.
Wait, shouldn't it be the other way around? The sunlight is hard.
Oh, should be that round.
Let me just see how this looks.
Don't drop the cake. It's so funny. I can see your
아닌가?
reflection.
Yeah,
I
know.
That's some people in the background.
Hey, they're like ruining my shot.
Yeah, you guys want to be the shot?
어티스 누나 생일이야.
We're turning 71 with balloons.
Careful. Why did Oh, like kneel down. Yeah.
No, but then the balloons, like, someone has to put it down.
It's going to take a long
And the
time.
hands when you do
melts.
it. Okay, stop.
Agree.
Wait, someone put fire with the candles on.
And
Yeah.
let me get that one. This one.
Oh, someone Polaroid, someone normal photo, someone 0.5.
아, 너무 귀여워.
Wait, so keep. Okay.
Oh, do you want to like take
Yeah.
Cute.
Where's the
Okay.
So cute.
I took it when I thought you looked best. So hopefully it goes out.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Scarlett. Happy birthday to you. Hooray! Hooray!
Okay.
Yay!
먹자.
That's so stressful, guys. 땀난다.
Nothing, that's it. Oh. I thought there was something. Like, you know the RU1, RU2.
Yeah. Is she one? Is she two? Is she three?
Is she 4? No.
You keep going until that age.
Yeah.
Wow, imagine if you're like 80 years old or something.
Wow.
Wow.
You should have a you guys have narrated this.
Okay, how should I put it? There's like top. Sounds like a Okay, how should I put it? Into.
아니, 난 미역도 있어.
He feels left out. He wants cake.
Are pets allowed in things? No, they can't eat.
Are they allowed what? You can make some later. This one. Should we let it cool down? Bless you.
Bless you.
Bye.
I got a
crazy
crazy
0.5.
0.5.
So you can put the icing in here.
Okay. So you're gonna make the icing. You guys can pick your colors and then we're gonna do actually milk chocolate. I guess if you want to make it like black or
Colored?
something.
No, but if you want it colored, then you have to use white.
White, yeah. I'm gonna watch this on YouTube.
Do you remember when we made cake pops in fruit tent?
Oh, yeah.
That was so
I made
fun.
cake pops and fruit tents.
I think mine flopped.
Ooh.
I think blue. If we put a little bit, they'll come out light.
Oh, you're like a baby. Yeah. Want to?
It is such a big thing somehow.
It's like the last time I thought that this thing is not big.
pot. Thanks, Ria.
It's okay. I can make it myself. Angel, baby, angel. 성화. I saw San 아까. 아까 on the TV. And I was like, Scarlett likes San. Oh yeah, I just saw him like walking past. Say hard out loud. And then the audience.
잘하네.
잘하네.
Mental support. Sophia is practicing for my future bakery. Seeing Sophia is like, oh. You like,
What do you mean you did? I saw you in the corner. I just told you not to look. I told you not to look.
okay, it's not happening. Why? It's gonna happen more than me going into bed. I know. Yeah. So I can't. We can't make up.
Wait, isn't that the strawberry thing?
Congratulations. Oh, yeah. Your favorite. Oh, it's sometimes I have some. It looked cool. Also the can. No, but this back too. Don't compare those two. Rip those two cake pops. That's how I do.
Why is that one so much smaller than the other?
Because halfway through we decided. Sort of.
Where's the stick?
Lots of chocolate too. Oh, oh, and your toilet.
Hey, why is it looking a little? Why is it looking a bit?
Isn't it? I'm pretty sure. Well, like usually use like styrofoam or something and like.
The photographer people took all the. Guys, this is why professionals.
Yeah, no, they were
make
just like
TikToks.
international people that didn't even know the
I didn't realize cake pops is like
I don't remember which one was mine.
This is actual like baby shower.
I don't remember which one I did.
It doesn't matter. You can just eat whatever.
Is it a girl or is it a guy?
Do you want to put it here?
So I can translate because we
I like it without.
This is the end of Scarlett's birthday party because I gotta go. Look at my 5 minutes. Is that your?
I feel like Ishi right now. Anytime I see someone do this, I think of Ishi.
Yeah, which mood? I like music.